Hi guys, this is Vineet, and in this video we'll discuss about how you can view the properties and contents of logical backup device in SQL Server. In one of our earlier videos we have demonstrated how you can create a logical backup device, so you may watch out that video first before continuing with this video. And in this video we'll discuss about how you can view the properties and contents of logical backup device. Before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and select all notifications by hitting on the bell icon to get notifications regarding all my future videos. And please watch this video till the end to gain better clarity of the concept, and if possible for you, please watch this video twice and perform the exercises in your lab environment with test databases. And we would also like to know your thoughts regarding our videos, so please share your comments. Now let's come back to the topic. Which is how to view properties and contents of a logical backup device in SQL Server. So let's go back to notes. So we are covering one of the demos over here. So there are no notes for this, but yeah, let's directly go to a demo. So we are inside SQL Server. So what we'll do, let's see what backup devices do we have. So if we take a look here, we have a test backup device, which is pointing to this. Let's see if we have it or not. So if I refresh it, we don't have any backup devices as of now. So what we'll do, we will create a backup device in this video as well. So let's go ahead and create a backup device. So in order to create a backup device, earlier we had discussed there's a stored procedure to do the same. So what we'll do, let's execute that stored procedure. So the stored procedure was sp dump device is the stored procedure. And what type of device we are referring to? We are referring to disk. And then you need to give the name of the backup device. So in our case, we are marking it as test backup device. And you need to then give the actual location of the disk file. In our case, we are pointing it to disk, so we are giving the location of a disk file. So location will be this backup folder, and name of the file will be test backup file. I'm marking it as test backup file.bak extension. So once we execute this statement, it will create a backup device. So if we refresh the backup device section, we see a backup device over here, which is a test backup device, and it points to a certain file which does not exist yet because it is not initialized yet. So in order to initialize, we need to take backup into this test backup file. So let's go ahead and take a backup of database Northwind inside this backup device. So I'm demonstrating how you can use this test backup device logical user defined name for a backup device. So you need to start with backup database Northwind. Two, you need to specify the name of the test backup device. So we are backing up this database to a test backup device. So let's do that. Okay, give me a second. Let me check the syntax for this. Let's take a backup from here. Backup and one second. Back up the database to. Okay, and let's script it out to see what was the issue. So the ideal format is backup database, not when to test backup device. So what was the issue? Okay, two statements should be given. So we are backing up database to this, and rest of the options are optional. Okay, let's do something. Let's open up new query window and then try this command. So we are backing up database Northwind to test backup device. Not sure why it's not picking up that device. Let's remove the quotes and see if it works. So yeah, quotes are not required, so we don't need to specify the quotes. So now the backup is taken into this test backup device, which is ultimately triggered the initialization of this file, test backup file.back. This contains the backup of the Northwind database. So now we can view the contents of the properties and contents of this particular device. So in order to do that, you need to run the command restore. Label only is the command if you want to view the contents from a test backup device. All right, so let's execute this. So we have just taken a backup using this test backup device. So it contains following information like media set ID, sequence numbers, etc. And it gives the media data as well. When was the media created and media count. So this is some of the information which is kept by this device and can be read using this statement restore label only from test backup device. All right, so we are done here. Now let me show you how you can drop this backup device. Simple way is to right click and delete this test backup device, and let me show you how you can do the same via the T-SQL statements. So in order to delete the device, in our case, we are both deleting the device as well as that file which is created. So let's do that. And so there is a separate stored procedure for this. So it's exec sp underscore drop device is the stored procedure. And you need to specify the name of the device. In our case, it's a test backup device. And along with that, you can specify the option del file in case you want to delete the actual physical file triggered by this device. So let's execute this stored procedure. This will both delete that backup device and as well as this particular file. Let's execute this. So now this is dropped, and if we refresh the backup devices section, it does not exist, and if we take a look at file section, the file also does not exist anymore. So I hope you like this video, guys, and the concepts are clear. In case you have any questions, please post me those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer them. And please subscribe to my channel and do hit on the like button if you really like this video, and do share your comments. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day ahead.